All right, number 4, 8 parts again. We're going to analyze this graph, look at the behavior. Part 1, as x goes toward negative infinity, what is the y value doing? Well, as I'm going and tracing this graph to the left side, it is flattening out at the y value, which is the x-axis, 0, flattening out at 0. So we'll say the y value is going toward 0. As x goes toward the number 6, and we're coming from the right, so as I go toward 6, but I'm coming from the right side. So this is the left side going toward 6. This is the right side. So I'm coming toward 6 from the right. The y value as I get close to 6 is shooting up toward positive infinity. So we're going to say the y value is positive infinity. Then we say as x goes toward positive infinity, what is the y value doing? So as we go to the right, this blue line tracing to positive infinity, the graph is decreasing, going down, 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 toward 0. Looks like it's flattening out at 0. So the y value is going toward 0 as x goes to infinity. And then as x goes toward 6, but we're coming from the left side. So that little negative up at the top means from the left. So I'm coming from the left, negative side, going toward 6. The y value is shooting up to infinity. All right, so the graph is decreasing. Again, we're going to trace it from left to right and see when is it going downward. So as I go from left to right, this graph is going up on the left side of 6. So like from negative infinity, because it runs off the page, so negative infinity until we get to 6, it is increasing. However, they ask me decreasing. When I get on the other side of 6, this blue line is coming down, so this is decreasing, and continues to curve downward to positive infinity. So we're going to say from 6 to positive infinity, it is decreasing. All right. Number 6, part 6. The graph is increasing over which interval? So again, that's what we kind of saw first, increasing from negative infinity till we get to 6, because at 6 it just kind of shoots straight up, doesn't cross. So graph is increasing from negative infinity until we get to the x value of 6. Part 7 wants to know the domain. So again, we have this little vertical line that graph doesn't cross, so that means we get every x value from negative infinity except for 6, and then we get everything on the other side positive infinity. So we're going to have negative infinity to 6 union 6 to positive infinity. Read it left to right, smallest to largest. And then the range, the y value. So we start from the bottom to top. The lowest y value that this graph is going toward, like it's flattening out at 0. So from 0, and then it goes all the way up to infinity. Okay, everything on both sides doesn't matter. So our range is 0. Then it goes to a height of infinity.